That's right. Getting ready for tile. Got to cut, lay the underlayment, the decoupling pad. Okay. I'm going to put this down. Hopefully when I'm done with the tile job, it never cracks or has any problems with grout. We don't want any cracked tiles or busted grout. So put the decoupling pad down. Now I'm just setting it in there right now. I gotta thin set it into place and continuing on. That's what we got there. Lots of fun. You have to lay everything out first out here in the kitchen by measuring. Thank goodness I know the builder made everything square and straight. So when I measure stuff, it all works out real nice. I get nice square cutoffs. Yeah. Hats off to the builder of this place. Huh? Looking pretty good. Nice tight fits. Looks good. Alright. Keep on moving. Well, I got the stuff put on. It's got thin set under it. I guess quick set, really. So there we go, ready to rock. Tiling tomorrow. Well, I'm working on it. Seems to be okay so far. We'll keep up the good work. At least I hope it's good. We'll find out when I grout it, huh? Don't forget the back butter. had to chip a little bit out for this radius. Try it out. Ooh, looking pretty close. Not bad. I'll live with that. Looks good to me. Looks good from my house. Oh, wait a minute. This is my house. Okay, let me pop a couple of these wedges out for you. Show you how easy it is. Push this way. There we go. Push this way. So, push this way. Pops right out. The knees, just give them a whack. There you go. Pretty easy. Nifty, I think. Doesn't look too bad. I think it'll be just fine. A little cleaning out and grouting. Okay, I'm ready for grout now. Got all the joints cleaned out. Ready to go. So, grouting time. I got the baseboard and got some quarter round down around the cabinet just to trim it up, make it look a little nicer. But the floor looks nice and straight and so on. So I guess it turned out alright. Time to do the riser. Gotta get that done. So get them glued up, get them on there, get them set up and grout. Looks pretty darn level to me. Even, not necessarily level. That'll do for me. That's without those stupid clips. Well, top's done. Everything else is done. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Looks pretty good.